Welcome, lads. What you're gonna hear is my stock 2007 Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive minivan with the natural aspirated 2GR-FE motor. Motor is completely warm. It's 85 degrees. I had the hood open. Motor's used to it. It's my driving style. I don't always go to red line, but when I do, I record it. So I take care of it. I did all the fluids, radiator, power steering, Penge oil, 5W30, high mileage with K&N oil cartridge filter. I just did the brake fluid, bleeding, whatever exchange, DOT4. So I change all the fluids, I do the maintenance. In a couple months I'm going to do the water pump, starter, alternator, radiator, hoses, fuel injectors, coil packs, and I'm going to go ahead and do the custom 3-inch cold air intake. And then I got to figure out what I'm going to do with the catalytic converters because they're rusted out and they're leaking and my gas mileage is shit. Also, I run Chevron gas. That's the only gas I put in. So premium. It's the best for my baby. Okay, I only put the best for her because I use her. I push her to her limits. So I hope you enjoy. I've actually never heard what the rear end sounded like. So this is the first time I get to hear it. And I've owned her for 4 months and I've put in 4,000 and like 100 plus miles on her. So listening to this video just makes me sad that I don't get to hear the rear end in the cabin. So this is a very detailed, ordinary, wow, very detailed rev from the engine bay to the cabin, to the driver, to the rear, and then the middle of the exhaust. So microphone is my 2018 iPad Pro 10.5 inch iPad, 512 gigabytes. It's rose gold, best microphone out there in the market when it comes to a smartphone or a tablet. So stock. So I hope you enjoy. Little editing, you know, very easy video. Just when you're listening to it, when you're watching it, and when you're done, please don't forget to thank the 2GR-FE motor and the engineers at Toyota. Don't forget to thank Vanessa because Vanessa was brave. She hanged in there. She didn't overheat. She did her job. She knows this is for a cause and she loved it. She's happy. Today's a happy day. So thank Vanessa for these revs. Let's get to it. I'm going to do a hot startup. This is what my engine bay looks like. Super clean because I degreased and power washed it last month. Fortunately, I do have a leaking power steering hose, low pressure, I think, I don't know. So it's dirty again, but either way, yep. So I'm gonna move it somewhere else in the engine bay, and then here's what it sounds like in the cabin. And then here's what it sounds like up here. Hold on, we got people. Anyways, that's what it sounds like up here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be the only YouTuber in the United States that has a detail rev. So here it goes. And yes, I have a vacuum leak somewhere. Don't mind the camera, it's gonna be shaky. And then one more area. And then the last portion, which is the middle of the exhaust. And there is a lot of exhaust noises, so excuse them. And we're done. And then a sudden walk around. Two right here. Alright, now I challenge all of you people out there to do an extreme detail rev like how I just performed for you. Completely stock. One quick note, I just listened to everything on my little Bose, or not Bose, but a fucking little speaker. So I have a massive headache. That thing is fucking loud. My engine sounds amazing through it. It is an amazing speaker, but it's a Mega Boom, and I just bought it. This is what I'm listening it through, and it's a fucking amazing speaker. Like, it's amazing. It's normally $250, but I got it for $150 at Verizon. So I have a massive headache, and I'm gonna go take some pills. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Peace. Just between you and I, there's gonna be another video like this each time I do a major upgrade. Canon air filter, 3-inch cold air intake, headers, exhaust. Each time I change out a part, intake manifold, supercharger.